the secret weapon of AI in 2024. Text annotation is the process of adding labels or metadata to raw text data. These labels provide additional information about the text's content, structure, and meaning. Text annotation is crucial for NLP because it allows machines to understand the nuances of human language. It provides structure, defines meaning, and trains NLP models. Text annotation comes in various flavors, including named entity recognition, NER, part of speech, POS, tagging, and sentiment analysis. Each type serves a specific purpose in NLP tasks. The best approach for text annotation depends on project size, data complexity, and desired accuracy. Many projects might combine manual, rule-based, and machine learning-based techniques for optimal results. Ambiguity and subjectivity, as well as consistency and quality control, are major challenges in text annotation. However, clear guidelines, glossaries, and double annotation can address these challenges effectively. Text annotation finds applications across various fields, fueling the advancements in NLP, including machine translation, information retrieval, and question-answering systems. The future of text annotation is brimming with exciting possibilities, including advanced annotation techniques, crowdsourcing with expertise, and integration with deep learning. Text annotation is a cornerstone of advancements in NLP and artificial intelligence. Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for details.